Good morning, one and all. We are discussing here about the topic acne and the reason behind acne. So, how does this acne occur? The most common cause for the acne is a hormonal imbalance in the body. It can happen both in males and females during teenagers. Also, in female, it occurs before menstruations, um, during pregnancy, and before menopause. Also, as part of PCOS, also the acne occurs. Um, then so just a minute. Uh, Second slide.
మ్యామ్ మీరు స్లైడ్స్ ఓపెన్ చేయండి. మీ స్లైడ్స్ ఓపెన్ చేసుకొని యూ కెన్ టాక్. ఐ థింక్ దెర్ ఇస్ అన్ ఇష్యూ ఫ్రమ్ మై సైడ్.
Done, sir. Done.
ఓకే, యా.
So, what is the skin condition? What is acne? Acne is a skin condition that occurs when the hair follicles plug with the dead oil and the dead skin cells. The mixture of oil and cells allow the bacteria that normally live on the skin to grow in the plugged follicles, and which causes the inflammation, swelling, redness, heat, and pain. సో మన స్కిన్ పైన ఉండే ఈ సెర్బమ్ అనే ఒక సెక్రేషన్ వలన అది డెడ్ సెల్స్తో మిక్స్ అయి అది యాక్నే కింద ఫామ్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. యాక్నే ఈజ్ మోస్ట్ కామన్ ఇన్ టీనేజర్స్ అండ్ యంగ్ అడల్ట్స్. Symptoms are ranging from the blackheads to pus cells, also red and tender bumps. All that comes under acne. So most often we see this acne on our face. Most commonly we can see on the face, but also it occurs in the back and chest and shoulders, like that. For most people, acne goes away on the own by the time they reach their 30s. But sometimes it is a major problem during 40s and also in the 50s. So on the next slide, we are seeing how a acne is formed on the skin. There is sebaceous gland which releases sebum. That sebum, including with the dead cells, the sebum builds up on the skin, and this in turn it builds up to infection, pus, uh, and it becomes the pimple, and the pus cells, it forms the pus cells and it becomes the pimple. Let's see what are the different types of acne. Acne is caused because of several types of pimples and lesions. Doctors also refer to enlarged or plugged hair follicles and as comedones. Types of acne are whiteheads, blackheads, and papulas, pimples, nodules, severe nodules. Sometimes these are very painful, red in color. Sometimes it is filled with pus, and it creates a lot of problem. So what are the causes? Because what are the causes for this acne? There are hormonal problem. There are family history, and due to the usage of medications, and also age. So hormones. When it comes to hormones, there is this male hormones which is released in both boys and girls during puberty, and the sebaceous glands enlarge and make sebum. Those hormonal changes related to pregnancy can also cause acne. Family history researchers also believe that there is a chance of acne will occur if your parents had acne. Medications, as you know, this is the side effect of medication also. There is corticosteroids, hormones, lithium. There are so many other medications which can cause the acne. Age, people of all ages can get acne, but it is more common in teens. Here we are going to discuss The reason of acne because of PCOD. So, what is PCOD? PCOD is a condition where the ovaries release a lot of immature or partially matured eggs, which eventually turn into some of the common symptoms are abdomen, abdominal weight gain, irregular periods, male pattern hair loss, and infertility. Yeah. So, what is PCOS? PCOS is a syndrome. It's a hormonal disorder common among women of reproductive age. They have frequent or prolonged menstrual periods, excess male hormone levels. The ovaries may develop numerous small collections of fluids and fail to release the regular eggs. Women with PCOS has often challenges like skin and face issues like acne, skin tags, and abnormal hair growth. Many women also report having dry skin and dandruff from their PCOS. Acne may also result from stress, hormonal changes such as during pregnancy, certain medications, and all. So, um, to treat acne, you need to go for the root cause, and root cause is PCOD. So, PCOD, um, PCOD in this particular testimonial, the PCOD, and this, if you go to the ninth slide, this lady was having issue with her skin. She had severe acne, and the root cause was PCOD. She was having irregular periods for the past 2 years. So when we got in touch with her, we had to figure out what is the main reason, what is causing so much of acne. And after detecting the main reason as PCOD, we had to eradicate using our supplements and a few dietary changes that had been made. And then this complete process took around 170 days for her to get rid of. I would not say get rid of, but a major change in her face and getting rid of this acne. Now she is a happy customer and having now she is using artistry for the more radiant look. The acne has reduced like 90%, it has reduced. That's about it.